I send many links. Which link you mean?
لسه في واحد في اللوبي.
تقريبا اللي قبل الأخير ولا مش فاكر أو آخر واحد.
Okay, when you know what you mean, just tell me.
ما هو اللينك اللي هو حضرتك قلت نبعته على الواتساب.
WhatsApp, I don't send the links on WhatsApp. I send here in Teams.
أيوة ما صاحبي بعتولي على الواتساب.
Guys, I don't know what you are talking about. I mean the project. Did you start your work with the project?
Mr. Send me the link for the program.
For what?
I still didn't download.
Which link?
I didn't download this.
So go to Microsoft.com and search for Visual Basic. Guys, I sent the link many times. You waste our time. If you go back to the chat of the last session and the previous session and all the sessions, you will find the link. Okay. By the way, if you don't,
Can't you send it now,
if you don't send the project on time, you will get 0.
When is the deadline?
10th of October.
بس هو في revision.
Yes. The revision video is sent on Classera already. Sent last Friday. So if you open Classera, you will find the revision video.
Mister, can you send me the link now so I download it now?
Which link?
Visual Basic.
Visual Basic.
Yes.
Did you attend with me last session?
I did. So
okay.
I mean, can you send it again here so I can download session. Now?
Guys, those who downloaded Visual Basic from my link, write VB in the chat.
مستر في واحد
ايش مستر؟ إذا إيش؟ مستر
لسه في واحد منتظر في اللوبي.
I allowed him to enter. فارس غالي.
Mister, what do we do in the project? Is there like a PowerPoint we will follow?
No, it's not a PowerPoint. I will tell you about the project today, but I will give you the link now for those who are lazy to download.
مستر مستر
Who is talking?
بدر خالد اكتب في بي اف لو
Guys, you can see the chat session. You can see the chat. You can see the link that I sent you to the chat now. Muhammad Ayman. Can you see the link? Muhammad Manna'.
Yes, I got it.
You can see it now. Start your download now. Guys, I will the project with you. So if you have any problem, we can discuss it together. I will share my screen. Guys, you can see the PowerPoint. Guys, you can see my screen.
Mister, does it have a time since it's an assignment يعني?
Do you see my screen? Do you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Is it timed or is it
Guys, you have until the last minute of 10th of October you can make it anytime, okay? But do not exceed 10th of October. This is the last time. It started 1st of October, and it will continue with you. You are able to send your project until the last day of October, the 10th of October, sorry. If you don't submit, you will get 0. Okay? If you forget to make some code or some point in the project, you will get -half. If you copy a project from one of your friends, you will get, both of you, you will get 0.
مستر اللي هو تراجم برو يا مستر.
Who is talking?
محمد.
What do you want, محمد?
مستر اللي هو التكست اللي هو تراجم برو مش موجود عندي في اللابتوب.
Guys, this is the design you will
مستر.
make. So shall I start discussing the project, or I listen to you? Who is talking? What do you want, Muhammad?
يا مستر التراجم برو مش موجود عندي على اللابتوب.
Okay, I will tell you about this point. I'll start reading, so stop interrupting me. Guys, this is the interface that we should make. We have several labels, and we have several text boxes and buttons, and I help you by showing where to put each label. For example, here, this is label number 3, and you make dashes in this label. Here, text box number 3, text box number 2 here, form title, button number 8. Why? Because you will attach a code for each button. If you change the order, it's okay for me, but if I run the application, I must find the button of my name here. And if I click on this button, it will make the function that I wanted in the description. The exit button will be here. If I click on exit button, it must do what is required in the description. For each control, for example, change the back color of the form to dark cyan. You will find this name. This color is fixed color in Visual Basic. If I tell you about some label to change its font, if you don't find its font, it's okay. You can use a different font, but don't use the default font. For example, I will start.
Mister, I sent a picture on the chat. Tell me what to do next.
Guys, if you have problems, you can write, you can send me to private chat, okay, anytime. Guys, here I will start a new project. Guys, if I add a label and check the default font, see, the default font is Microsoft Sans Serif. Okay, so you can select a different font. If you install Visual Basic and Microsoft Office, you will have many fonts. For example, here I ask about Trojan Brew. Here is the font. Okay, just click here and you will find the font in the default fonts because it's built-in font with Windows. If you don't find it, okay, you can select any different font, but don't use the default one. The default one is Microsoft Sans Serif. Okay, so use any different font. Size 30, it's easy. Style, underline or bold. Back color, you will find it. Text, you can write the text to write Saudi Airlines. Changing label 2, it's easy. Changing the back color of any text box is easy. All these settings are very easy. You just make it from the property, and we'll make it today. About the code, we'll make an example today that will help you in the code. Guys, you can see my screen. Guys, are you able to use your microphone?
Yes, Mr.
Okay. Maybe the difficult point in the project is
we
making
still
the
can't see your
calculation.
screen.
What?
We cannot see your screen.
You cannot see what?
Your screen.
My screen? How?
Your
Guys,
picture.
can you see my screen? Can you
Yes,
see
Mr.
Visual
we
Basic?
can- Yes.
Yes, Mr. I can see.
Yes, Mister, we can see it.
Okay. Guys, today I will make some example, very simple. I will add 2 buttons here. I will add 3 text boxes. And some labels. Reset. Calculate. And the button for exit. And the button to hide. And the button to show. Okay. Our story that you have a product you want to buy, you have a price, you have tax, you have discount, and you want to get, we'll make it in a text box also, the total. Guys, you can see this design.
Yes.
Sir, can you answer my question on the chat?
Which question?
What do I click when I sent a photo?
I can see nothing. I can see nothing in the chat.
طب I send it on a
Send
private.
it to a private chat after the session.
موجود في الشات يا مستر. There in the chat.
Guys,
As
I can't see what you sent in the chat. I can't see it here.
Okay.
Guys, if I ask you to change the back color of the form, it's very easy from back color property. Or if you want to change the back color of any control, just select the back color property. If you want to change the font size for any label, you can select all the labels to save your time and change the font size. You can make it 14. You can make it bold. true. The buttons, you can select all the buttons and change font size to make it bigger. Now the story or the calculation here, I want, if I press calculate, to add the, if I write a number here for the price, to calculate the tax, and if I write discount here, I want to get the total. First tax is 15%. So here tax is text box number 2. So I will double click on calculate button. I will write text box dot text equals val text box 1 dot text multiply 15%. It means I will get the value from text box number 1, then I will multiply it by 15%. This will give me the tax. If you add a discount here, maybe I give a discount 10 reals, 50 reals, any number. I want to see the discount subtracted from price minus, price plus tax, subtract discount to get the total. So here total is text box number 4. So you want to write text box number 4 dot text equals the price val of text box 1 text plus the tax, that is val of text box number 2 dot text minus discount, that is val of text box number 3 dot text. We will display it in text box number 4. I want to try this code, but before I test the code, I want to press save all. I want to save in a different location, so I will browse and I create a folder, week 6. Here is your project name, week 6, 11 silver revision, then press save. I want to test the calculate button. If you buy something for, this is the price, I will press calculate. This is the result. You have taxes and here is the total. Here is the total without discount. If I give you discount, for example, I will give you discount 1010 and press calculate again. Here is the result after discount, 1500. Why? Because we have the price and here 15% of taxes. Then I gave you a discount and here is the result of our calculation. I want to reset. If I click reset, I want to erase all these numbers. So I want one of you to help me now. I will save all and I will compress the project and I'll send it to you and I will select one of you to complete the project with me. Here is the folder that contains the work, and this is how you send your work to me. Grade 11, week 6. Here is our project. I will close Visual Basic. I will right click, send it to, and select compressed zipped folder. Here is the compressed file. I will go to the chat and I will send you the file. Guys, I sent you the file. Now I want one of you to work with me. If you want to be the presenter, raise your hand. If you want to be the presenter, raise your hand. Hani Abdulrahman Fahd. Hani Abdulrahman Fahd, you hear me? Guys,
Yes,
is there a
sir.
problem in communication? You have Visual
I
Basic,
think
Hani?
so, Mr. I have it.
You have Visual Basic?
I have it.
Saif Muhammad, you have Visual Basic? Saif Muhammad?
يس يا مستر.
Okay. You will share your screen with me. Saif, now you are a presenter. Share your screen.
How to share it يا مستر؟
How to share? You have a rectangle with an arrow near the microphone. Click and select screen or desktop.
Mister,
Okay, now Saif started sharing the screen. Close Visual Basic. Okay. Now go to Teams, the chat of Teams. Okay. Okay.
مستر معلش تأخرت كان عندي مشكلة في الأسيرة.
Okay. Now download. Yes, press download. Muhammad Ayman, I saw your chat now, your question. Of course, you will not download the SQL Server. You will download Visual Basic Express. Okay. Now save downloaded the compressed file, minimize and go
اللي
to
هو
your
تاني واحد يا
download the
مستر.
folder inside your document. Go to
2000.
download the folder. Okay, right click on this compressed file, right click. Now select extract to week 6, 11 silver revision. Extract to week 6. Okay, now you have a new folder. Open the folder. Another folder, open again. Now we have a folder and a file. Double click on the file, the second one. Yes, we select Visual Basic 2010 Express. Now we will see my design. Okay, what is this? Okay, now at the right side you have form1.vb. Okay, you will find the design at the right side. Wait. Go to right side. Go to the right side. Double click on form1.vb. Okay. Now we have some buttons. We want to start with the button of reset. Double click on the button reset. Okay. Reset or clear button. We want to erase all the numbers from all text boxes. But before we start typing, save, please zoom in. Instead of 100%, make it 150. Okay, this is better. Now we want to clear text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, text box 4. Can you do it by yourself or you need help?
I need help يا مستر.
Okay. To clear anything, a label, a text box, or a form title, just write text box 1, the control name, text box 1, text, T-E-X-T, T-E-X-T, dot, text, equals, double quotation again. Okay, this is correct. Now you can repeat it for text box 2, 3, and 4. Just copy paste and change the number. You can make it quickly.
مستر beside it or under?
In a different line. Each command in a separate line.
Mr. Which one do I click, you said? First or second?
Visual Basic 2010. Express.
مفيش 2010 2008.
Muhammad, watch the video of week number 2. And by the way, I sent you the link to download it direct.
أيوة, that's what I clicked.
Okay. Now go to the design, save. Click on form 1 design. Okay. Now hide. Double click on hide. In hide, I want to hide all the text boxes. So start with me, text box 1. Dot visible equals true or false. That's correct. False. Okay. To save the time, we will not make the remaining lines. You can repeat it for text box 2, 3, and 4. Go back to the design. Go back to the design. Now I want to write the code to show. Show. I want to show text box number 1.
Mister, how to save a compressed file يا مستر؟
Just right click and select send to compressed file. Okay. Now you know how to hide and show all the text boxes. Go back to the design. Exit. How to write the code for exit button. Perfect. Perfect. Save all. Go back to the design. Add a button. Add a button. Okay. And okay, any place you like. Write my name. Okay. Now save. I want if you press your button to write your name on the title of the form instead of form 1 to display your name. So double click on the button. Now I want to play with which property? The text property of the form. So I write me dot, write the property. That's correct. Equals. Now I want to display your name. Save Swelum. If you write save Swelum like this, you will not get the mark. You will get minus. Yes, you have to write it between two double quotations. Okay. Go to the design. Now I want a button. Write surprise. Surprise is a magic button that will give you extra discount. For example, you have in text box number 4, you will have the final value, the total. I want you to write a code to add extra discount from the text box number 4. Can you make it, or we leave it to the next session?
مستر ايه الكوتيشنز اللي كنت حضرتك بتعملها دي؟
What quotations?
في اللي هي تكست بوكس 1 كوتيشن بعدها تروح عامل 2 برضه نفس الحاجة.
Show me the code. Which quotations?
كان فوق شوية كده. أيوة دول.
Bahay is asking or Muhammad Omar. Double quotations. It's shift with comma.
يس أنا فاهم بس دول
It's near
إيه
the
يعني؟
enter key. Guys, we write code for the surprise button next session. Guys, the project is very simple. The design we made today is the same like the project. The only difference is the text of the labels and the buttons and the colors. It's almost the same.
مستر طب انا خليت البوتون بتاع ماي نيم سبته ماي نيم بس لما حضرتك
Yes, that's correct.
تضغط عليه
In
يظهر.
the design, you write my name. You write my name on the button. But when I click on that button, I will see your real name on the title of the form. So the interface, I will find a button, my name. But when I click on this button, I will see Ahmed Khalil Saif Suwailam on the title of the form. Guys,
how will we know what to do؟ يعني هتبعت PowerPoint ولا what؟
No, you will send the project code. The same like the zip file I sent it to you. You will make a project on Visual Basics, then you will compress the whole folder.
Where is the instructions؟
What?
اللي هو بيقول لك يعني what color؟
Are you serious? It's on Classera. It's on your Classera. Have not you seen your Classera? Have you seen your Classera or not?
اوكي خلاص.
You did not check your Classera, right?
هو كان في فيديو؟
Everything is published. And for the lazy boys who did not check their Classera and just asking, here is the PDF of the project. Okay? See you next session, inshallah. You can write goodbye and leave.